Instead of a security, XRP is a digital money in Ripple's view. They further contend that the SEC's categorization of XRP as a security is unfounded and detrimental to the whole cryptocurrency sector. Ripple and the regulatory framework governing cryptocurrencies in the US are both poised to be profoundly affected by the outcome of the action, which is now being deliberated upon by the court. The complex interplay between regulatory authority oversight and cryptocurrency development is being illuminated by the ongoing legal procedure. When it comes to the most prestigious cryptocurrency pre-sales in the world, Moonbag's liquidity plan is the gold standard for meme coins reliability. Launching a meme currency without enough liquidity can often lead to steep price drops, which has hurt many investors in the highly unpredictable meme coin market. In order to guarantee development and stability, Moonbag is changing the game with a strategic liquidity plan, an initial liquidity provision, and a disciplined buyback and burn strategy are the cornerstones of the system. Embracing price stability and contributing to long-term value development are core principles of this inspiring plan. Strategic liquidity management was in place prior to its launch when it was added to the liquidity pool, creating a solid foundation for trade instability. The remaining $5 million will be added gradually, one stage at a time when the launch period is over. A further $500,000 will be added to the liquidity pool as a result of each of these 5 stages, strengthening its position even further. To reduce the chances of unanticipated price fluctuation, this stage plan is put into action to keep the environment for cryptocurrencies steady and encouraging. Buying back and burning through the technique outlined in detail, the buyback and burn strategy is crucial for the continued expansion of Moonbags. The extra funds will be utilized solely for token burns and buybacks in the first 3 to 6 months after the cryptocurrency's launch. Using this method achieves 2 main objectives. To begin with, it promotes slow growth and aids in keeping prices stable. Secondly, it promotes heightened coin scarcity by reducing the supply through burning. A positive feedback loop is anticipated, which could lead to a rise in the currency's value, increasing scarcity and its significance. Due to their high rate of repurchase and destruction, Moonbag coins are becoming progressively rare. When combined with the demand that the targeted buybacks created, this scarcity makes for a more favorable price trajectory, if investors could benefit from both stable price and future value gains. Their investing experience would be much better. When supply falls and demand rises, it makes for an environment where the asset can appreciate over time. A plan to inspire trust among investors that is focused on the future. In its liquidity plan, Moonbag demonstrates its dedication to transparency and its aim for long-term prosperity. The implementation of a repurchase and burn strategy and the strategic allocation of liquidity demonstrate the seriousness with which one approaches the development of growth and the maintenance of price stability. This approach ensures that Moonbag will be one of the most prominent cryptocurrency pre-sales globally, appealing to investors seeking both security and substantial rewards. Moonbag is at the vanguard of the most successful cryptocurrency pre-sales in the world. Finally, Moonbag hopes that investors will have faith in the project's legitimacy and openness thanks to its innovative liquidity strategy. Not only is it raising the bar in the most prestigious cryptocurrency presale in the world, but it is also revolutionizing liquidity with its scientific methodology and planned buyback and burn strategy. If you want to be a part of an innovative company that values growth, stability, and the happiness of its investors, Moonbag is the place for you. Attractive prices and stellar performance are the focal points of the 7th Moonbag presale stage. With the price of each coin being sold at just 5 cents, the Moonbag presale is entering stage 7 and creating quite a stir. So far, an astounding $3 million has been raised, proving that it is one of the top cryptocurrency presales happening globally. Presale investment interest is high, and for good reason. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance for investors to get in on the market at a discount. Ripple and Moonbag's parallel but distinct development paths illustrate the different ways in which the cryptocurrency sector is responding to the dynamic nature of the market. The regulatory concerns that the digital asset market is facing are highlighted by the present litigation dispute between Ripple and the SEC. A precedent for cryptocurrency law in the future may be set by the outcome of this debate. While it figures out what to do next, Moonbag is rethinking its strategy around liquidity and investor trust. One of the most successful cryptocurrency pre-sales in the world, Moonbag's pre-sale strategy is characterized by a commitment to stability and growth. The plan is presently in stage 7, and each coin is priced at merely 5 cents. Moonbag is able to avoid The usual hassles in the meme currency sector by using a repurchase and burn strategy and a carefully controlled injection of liquidity. Significant price reductions and investment losses are among these downsides. Stable prices are guaranteed by this forward-thinking policy, which also aims to create long-term value for the community. In what might be the most lucrative cryptocurrency presale of 2024, make sure you don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity by enrolling in the Moonbag presale immediately. The ambitious plan it has and the rapid success of its presale to achieve this, a thorough liquidity plan and a repurchase and burn strategy are put into action. This innovative strategy shows dedication to investor confidence and price stability, which is encouraging in a sector that is often characterized by instability and unpredictability. The protracted legal dispute between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has reached a critical juncture, and the company is now waiting for a ruling in the Exchange Commission case. The XRP cryptocurrency's creators are now anticipating a decision that will have far-reaching consequences. In this action, which the SEC has been investigating since 2020, the primary issue is whether the sale of XRP by Ripple constitutes an unregistered securities offering. In addition to being a great opportunity to show appreciation to early backers, the giveaway will also add to the project's general excitement and momentum. Investors are excited about XRP as the cryptocurrency's lengthy legal battle with the CCC seems to be coming to an end. An 8-point increase in the last day has added to the asset's 31-point gain for the month of July. After the pre-sale, analysts predict a return of $1,300 from Moon Taurus, making it a top buy in the meme-coin category. Coincidentally, this is happening as XRP is becoming increasingly popular. The meme coin is launching a massive advertising campaign in an effort to become the next meme currency, to reach $1 billion in value. Before Minerva's launch price starts to explode, experts say now is the best moment to invest. Trading advice should not be construed from the data that has been supplied. Any investments made relying on the information presented on this page are not liable for any reason. It is highly recommended that you consult an expert and do your own research before making any investing decisions.